to Natural Living. Today I'm going to share some acupressure points for the diabetes problem. Actually, basically diabetes when your pancreas is stopped working and it stopped forming the insulin in your body, which cannot, digest the sugar into the energy. So these acupressure points will help you to stimulate your pancreas and again restart the production of the insulin in your body. So let's start it. So first point, we'll get that in your pinky finger. To locate it, it's just right here. You can find out the cavity. So just you have to find out, like you have to go straight towards the pinky finger at the end of your hand where you find little hollow and cavity. You just need to press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute, just a pumping pressure. So this is your first point. And the second point for the diabetes, we can locate it in our, and these points are bilateral. This first point is also both the hands you can find out. And the second point will be in your middle finger, the middle joint where your finger will be fold. So this around, like overall the ring size, like, overall at the front and at the bottom. So what you need to do, you just need to roll this point like by this roller, like this, because it's hard to press it. So you can roll it like that. So this is the second point. And the third point would be towards the thumb where this nail will be end right here, just right here. You need to press like this. You can also, this is Acupressure, use it. But if you don't have that Acupressure, then you can do it by your hand or by any jimmy, by any kind of prop, pen, pencil. Just press it at the where your nails got end. So that is your point. You need to press it very nicely, 30 seconds to 1 minute. So this is your third point. Now we have some points of the diabetes in our leg also, but before going on the leg, we have to press our kidney point, which is also help to stimulate the pancreas. So we need to press this kidney point, will get in both our hands at the middle of the palm. So we need to press it in both the hands, this and this, for 30 seconds to 1 minute. Here we tell you some leg meridians of the diabetes. So this is the inner side of your leg. This is the ankle. We have to locate, we have to put the forefinger over the ankle area, and where your pinky finger is come, just right here, you just locate your point right here. And you have to give the pumping pressure like this for 30 seconds to 1 minute. So this is the first diabetes point in your leg. And this is also bilateral. You can find it both of your legs. Now we'll go to the second point of the leg. At the foot area where you find this hollow part like this, and you can see that this hollow part, this area, you need to press this area because this is another kidney point in the leg. This is also bilateral point. You need to press it 30 seconds to 1 minute, 3 to 4 times in a day, because kidney point is also very good to treat the diabetes and helps the pancreas to stimulate. So this is my second video, friends. If you wanted the first video, you can go to the I button, or also in the description you can find out, or in my acupressure playlist you will get the first part of the diabetes also. I hope you like it. Stay tuned, stay healthy and stay connected. Thank you.